The global financial landscape is currently on the brink of a massive digital transformation, while numerous blockchain networks have grown exponentially, creating their own isolated ecosystems. This fragmentation has inadvertently led to digital islands that cannot communicate with one another. For digital assets to achieve their true potential, they require a vascular system that allows value and information to flow without friction. The Axelar network has positioned itself at this critical juncture, serving as a universal highway that unifies disparate blockchains into a single cohesive network. Unlike traditional interoperability solutions that rely on centralized committees creating significant security vulnerabilities, Axelar operates as a public blockchain, powered by a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, achieving a rare balance of decentralization and institutional-grade security. This architectural integrity is precisely why global financial giants, like Deutsche Bank and MasterCard, have identified Axelar as a primary infrastructure partner. The Axelar ecosystem recently experienced a landmark shift in its technical, leadership, and research capabilities. The transition of the initial developer team, Interop Labs, to the global stablecoin issuer Circle signifies that Axelar's technology has been validated by the industry's most prominent players. Following this, the technical stewardship of the network was assumed by Common Prefix, a collective of world-class scientists and researchers. This group includes PhDs and professors from elite institutions such as Stanford University and ETH Zurich individuals who were the first to academically prove the security of proof-of-stake systems and who co-invented the revolutionary BitVM. With these scientists leading the 2026 roadmap, Axelar is evolving from a mere technology project into a sophisticated global financial standard, characterized by rigorous cryptographic proof and operational resilience. The technical advantages of Axelar extend far beyond simple asset bridging. The network provides a Turing-complete interoperability layer, allowing developers to execute complex logic across different chains seamlessly. Services like the Interchain Token service ensure that tokens moving between chains retain their original properties and functions, appearing to the user as if they reside on a single network. Further, the Mobius development stack and the Interchain amplifier have drastically reduced the time and cost associated with connecting new blockchains to the ecosystem. As of 2025, Axelar successfully connects over 70 distinct networks, including Ethereum, Solana, and Hedera, representing the most expansive footprint in the market. This infrastructure allows builders to focus on the value of their services, rather than the complexities of cross-chain plumbing, establishing Axelar as the definitive gateway for the Web3 economy. Axelar's consistent execution of its roadmap further bolsters its credibility. Throughout 2025, the network finalized key integrations with massive ecosystems, such as the XRP Ledger and TON. The collaboration with Hedera is particularly noteworthy as it expands Axelar's influence in the enterprise blockchain sector, proving that the network is built for more than just retail applications. Looking ahead to 2026, the roadmap introduces even more ambitious features, such as co-staking. This technology will allow validators to secure the network, using blue-chip assets like Bitcoin or Ethereum, alongside AXL tokens, significantly enhancing economic security. Additionally, the development of gasless bridging aims to eliminate the burden of transaction fees for users moving between chains, a move that is expected to drastically lower the barrier to mass adoption. The true institutional validation of Axelar is found in its role within major banking projects. Deutsche Bank, in partnership with MasterCard and Citi, is utilizing Axelar's infrastructure for Project Dama 2, an initiative focused on real-world asset tokenization. This project serves as a blueprint for institutional fund managers to manage digital assets efficiently within a compliant framework. Research from Deutsche Bank suggests that approximately $84 trillion in wealth is currently shifting toward digital native generations, who demand transparent and immediate blockchain-based financial services. Dama 2 leverages Axelar's technology to allow these institutions to issue and manage funds across multiple chains without requiring specialized in-house blockchain expertise. This positions Axelar as a critical piece of infrastructure for the future of global finance. The recent integration with Ripple's XRP Ledger has provided a powerful demonstration of Axelar's market impact. The launch of MXRP in early 2026, a liquid staking token that allows XRP holders to earn yield while maintaining liquidity, was a resounding success, attracting approximately $30 million in deposits within just 2 weeks. With nearly 480,000 XRP investors holding hundreds of millions of dollars in wrapped assets on networks like the BNB chain, Axelar has provided a vital secure channel for these users to participate in yield-generating strategies. This synergy with one of the industry's largest ecosystems highlights the practical utility and scalability of Axelar's interoperability layer. The economic model of the Axelar token is specifically designed to align network growth with token scarcity. The Cobalt upgrade implemented in early 2025 reduced the annual inflation rate to 3.8%, providing a solid foundation for long-term value preservation. More importantly, the network now employs a mechanism where 98% of all gas fees are permanently burned. Similar to the halving mechanism of Bitcoin, this model ensures that as large-scale partners like Deutsche Bank and Ripple increase their usage of the network, the circulating supply of tokens decreases, creating a deflationary pressure that benefits long-term holders. Further, the network's strategy for connecting new blockchains avoids additional inflation by utilizing rewards from the existing supply. From its inception, Axelar has garnered support from the most influential entities in the industry, including Binance, Coinbase, and Polychain. A strategic investment of $30 million in March 2025 by firms like Arrington Capital and Electric Capital further emphasize that Axelar's technology is viewed as the cornerstone for institutional, real-world asset tokenization and stablecoin expansion. The addition of Brian Brooks, a former head of U.S. banking regulation and former chief legal officer at Coinbase, to Axelar's institutional advisory board, is a highly symbolic development. Brooks has publicly noted that decentralized interoperability is the only viable path to modernize traditional finance and expand global access to the U.S. dollar through digital assets. Axelar is evolving beyond a simple connectivity tool into the fundamental protocol for the future digital economy. By unifying fragmented technologies and building the infrastructure for trillions of dollars in capital to flow securely, Axelar is securing its place as a cornerstone of the Web3 era. From the tokenized funds of Deutsche Bank to the yield models of the XRP ecosystem, Axelar's presence is becoming increasingly pervasive. The combination of its sophisticated token economics, world-class scientific leadership, and robust institutional partnerships establishes Axelar as an indispensable asset in the global financial ecosystem. We are witnessing the rewriting of financial history. The world of interoperability created by the Axelar network is enabling the efficient movement of wealth and connecting the global economy through a single, unified vascular system. With its innovative technology, powerful partnerships, and a value-aligned economic structure, Axelar's journey toward redefining finance has only just begun. Beyond the short-term fluctuations of the market, the focus should remain on the resilient infrastructure Axelar has built and the infinite possibilities it continues to unlock. The revolution occurring at the heart of the future, financial ecosystem will only gain momentum, and the vision of a truly connected global economy will become clearer with each passing day.